So now that you've stepped into direction, now that we all know you have a new feather on your cap, so cooking or film direction, if you have to choose your new passion, what would it be?
बहुत similar है. Karthi, if you look at the whole thing, it's very similar. The reason I was able to make a movie, I'm not going to say successfully I was able to make a movie. I was able to make a movie extremely original. Reason is, first of all, I was not trained in certain template. I figured out that it has to be free-flowing movie. In life, things don't happen in sequences like that. And it's because just the way you ran the kitchen. It takes days and weeks and months to set up a kitchen and a restaurant and to cook that food, to getting the produce, everything. And then the act of eating that dish is less than 3 minutes. So you are understanding that the shot will take just a few minutes after edit, but amount of preparation which goes is very much like a movie.
Okay. So if I have to frame this, how did the world of direction change you? What change did it bring in you?
I think I was very scared initially. I was very scared when I took the script to few directors in India, and people thought that this is really not as like. मतलब कहानी क्या हुई? एक छोटी लड़की जो रस्सी पे चलती है, एक विडो को बोलती है इस साल हम होली इकट्ठे खेलेंगे. And she says मैं रंग खेल नहीं सकती, but she is yearning to touch color. ये पूरी उम्र white में बिताई है. She's yearning, and that can't be 90-minute story. And I said, yes, that is a 90-minute story. We have to follow the old formats of movies. Okay. That is why because I'm too obsessed with Satyajit Ray and all that school of filmmaking. Where things are moving in a slow pace. And you feel the relationships are building and breaking again and again.
Okay. All right. Now we all know Neena Gupta ji is there in the film, and she is a brilliant actress. So tell me one thing.
The first movie I got.
Correct. And that's like the best thing you could have asked for. So I'm going to make this question very, very difficult for you. One word to describe Neena Gupta ji. Just one word.
Mine. She gives so much of herself to the movie and to the vision and to the script that you feel that she is yours. She is there for the movie. Oh my, there's a sequence when she's supposed to, I use such a strong word, mine, right? There was a sequence in the movie where she has to dance on a terrace.
Wow.
Pura dance sequence hai, where she's playing imaginary Holi. You'll see it in the movie. And I had designed the scene कि एक जगह पे बहुत दूर जाके वाराणसी में, it was almost like 1 hour boat ride. वहाँ पे गंगा जी की reflection सूरज सामने, and she has to dance. And she was so scared because the terrace is a huge frame and she's dancing alone with the girl on the terrace. और teasers में भी look आती छोटी सी. She practiced all night. कहती गलती की गुंजाइश नहीं है विकास, इसमें गलती की गुंजाइश नहीं है because you can't tell me दोबारा से करो. We don't know what is going on. We don't know what we're going to capture. Oh, her dedication is to a different level.
Wow. So you've done this entire direction. You have so many memories of it. So if I have to say the last color and one word on its experience, and that would be
heartbreaking.
Really?
The movie, every time I was writing it, I was heartbroken by the pain which I saw, and everybody would keep telling me this is transforming you. I'm like, yes, something is changing in me, because when you'll see the pureness of the story and the relationship between these two, and I felt that feeling of helplessness when I saw my aunts or neighbors, and their widows, who were always spent the entire life in white color, and they could never be touched with color. So मुझे लगता था वो helplessness, so that all those memories come back to me every time I was doing the scene or writing a scene, and I think I used that pain to create this kind of art.
All right.